Hi guys, I wanted to do a quick video on these green onions that I planted in, I think probably mid-March, late March. You can see they've got some nice big heads on them in here. Right here's a nice one. And I've just got really this front row because the sun comes in here. And this row as well. This will do the same thing. I have a few up front, but they're not doing that well. I've said before I like to put things in different spots to see how they are going to do in take for me. And I think this is the spot for the green onions here. But what I wanted to show you was, if you cut your green onions about right here, and you can see, I cut these yesterday about right here. No, I cut these 2 days ago, right here. And you can see they're already starting to grow back. Here's where the cut was, right here. This is the new growth. And it was about this many of them that filled up a cookie sheet that I was able to freeze and just leave in the freezer for winter. So I can come through here and cut this whole row of green onions if I need to or want to. I can pull them out, I can give them away, or I can cut them and they can regrow. Now what's not going to regrow is those beautiful white parts of the actual onion. So we'll be able to get those when I pull them up in the fall. Otherwise, I'm just going to let these roll. I'm going to let them keep producing for me. And you can see too, like down here, I specifically chose this area to cut because it was blocking the sun of, I'm not sure if this is a mortgage lifter or a giant Belgium, but it needed to get more sun because it is really behind on the other ones that I direct sowed. For some reason, these weren't taking quite that well, so it's behind. So I needed to cut these in order to get some more sun to this plant. And I'll probably need to come down here and do this here. Okay, I just wanted to show you real quick how you can just cut your onions, where to cut your green onions at. And you will probably, I don't think I have bought green onions from the grocery store in a few years now. So you might not need to do that either. Thank you so much. Love you. Please subscribe. Have a great day.